When your cruise ship docks in Kiel, Germany, you've reached more than just a port. You've landed at the maritime heart of northern Germany, where naval history, Baltic breezes, and laid-back city life come together. With a compact city centre, rich seafaring tradition, and easy rail links to other regional highlights, Kiel is a cruiser-friendly port that's easy to explore and surprisingly rewarding, whether you stay in town or venture out. Let's show you how to make the most of one perfect day in Kiel. Kiel sits at the base of the Kieler Sprotten, a long natural harbour that opens into the Baltic Sea. It's the capital of Schleswig-Holstein and one of Europe's busiest passenger ports, often the start or end point for Baltic and Scandinavia cruise itineraries. Despite being a major shipping hub, the city is clean, green, and incredibly accessible, especially for cruise passengers. Whether you're drawn to maritime museums, local markets, or seaside views, Kiel makes a peaceful and pleasant stop. Arrival and getting around. Cruise ships dock at one of two main terminals. The Ostseekai terminal is the main terminal and is just a 10 to 15-minute flat walk to the city centre along the waterfront. It has very easy access. The Norwegenkai terminal is a bit further from the city centre, but still walkable in 20 to 25 minutes or reachable by short taxi ride or local bus. Tip: if you plan to use public transport or visit museums, grab the Kiel Welcome Card, which offers free buses and ferries plus local discounts. The city is very walkable, but if you want to visit nearby towns, Kiel Hauptbahnhof, the main station, is close to the city centre. Top things to do in Kiel. Let's appreciate Kiel's fascinating maritime history before exploring its sights. Established as a settlement over 1,000 years ago, Kiel transformed in the 19th century when it became the primary naval base for the German Empire. The city's strategic location at the entrance to the Baltic Sea made it crucial for maritime trade and naval operations. Though much of Kiel was rebuilt after World War II, the city has maintained its seafaring soul while embracing contemporary urban design. Begin your exploration at the Kiellinie promenade, the heart of Kiel's maritime identity. This scenic waterfront path stretches for nearly 6 kilometres along the fjord, offering uninterrupted views of one of the busiest harbours in the Baltic. As you stroll, you'll pass elegant sailboats, massive cruise ships, and perhaps even German naval vessels anchored in the harbour. The promenade is lined with open-air cafes and food kiosks where locals gather to enjoy fresh seafood and cold drinks. Take a moment to sit on one of the many benches, feel the refreshing Baltic breeze, and watch the constant parade of vessels navigating the fjord. Next, immerse yourself in Kiel's naval heritage at the Kiel Maritime Museum. Housed in the historic Fischhalle, Fish Market Hall, this museum showcases Kiel's evolution from fishing village to major naval power. The collection includes meticulously crafted ship models, antique navigation instruments, and interactive exhibits explaining maritime technology. The highlight for many visitors is the opportunity to tour the 10U submarine moored outside. This preserved vessel offers a rare glimpse into the cramped conditions submariners once endured. Inside the museum, you'll find fascinating displays about the Kiel Canal, one of the world's busiest artificial waterways, and the storied history of the Kiel Week Regatta, the largest sailing event in the world. For panoramic views of the city and harbour, head to the City Hall and Opera House complex in the heart of Kiel. The red brick neo-Renaissance Rathaus, City Hall, features a 106-metre tower that dominates the skyline. Take the elevator to the observation platform, open most days for a small fee, for spectacular 360-degree views of the city, the fjord, and on clear days, the surrounding countryside. The adjacent Opera House, with its grand facade and ornate interior, represents Kiel's cultural aspirations and regularly hosts world-class performances. When you need a peaceful respite from sightseeing, the old Botanical Garden, Alter Botanischer Garten, provides the perfect natural retreat. Established in 1884, This historic green space occupies a hillside overlooking the fjord, offering serene garden paths and surprising harbour views from elevated vantage points. The terraced design features themed garden sections, ancient trees, and seasonal floral displays that showcase both native plants and exotic species. Look for the charming 19th century pavilion where classical music concerts are sometimes held in summer. Complete your Kiel exploration with a visit to Holstenstraße, one of Germany's oldest and most vibrant pedestrian shopping streets. Dating back to 1242, this historic thoroughfare has evolved from a medieval trade route to a modern commercial centre while maintaining its character. The street connects the train station with the waterfront and is lined with a mix of international brands, local boutiques, and traditional German shops. Beyond shopping, Holstenstraße offers excellent people-watching opportunities at its many sidewalk cafes. Try regional specialties like a Fischbrötchen, fish sandwich, at one of the traditional establishments, or sample international cuisine at newer eateries that reflect Kiel's cosmopolitan character. What to eat in Kiel? Kiel's food scene reflects its seaside location and northern German roots. Local dishes to try include Fischbrötchen, a classic local snack, fresh fish, usually herring or salmon, in a bread roll. Labskaus, a traditional sailor's dish made with corned beef, mashed potatoes and beetroot. Kieler Sprotten, smoked small fish, usually eaten whole. Rotgrütze, a berry dessert served with cream or vanilla sauce. Don't miss trying a local Pilsner or regional beer from Schleswig-Holstein. Many bars have waterfront seating, perfect for a relaxed afternoon. Optional day trips from Kiel. If you want to go further afield, Kiel makes it easy. These trips can be done by train or with a private tour. Consider visiting Lübeck, a UNESCO-listed Hanseatic city with medieval charm, brick Gothic buildings, and marzipan. About 1.5 hours by train. For a bigger city experience, head to Hamburg, Germany's second largest city, full of history, shopping, and waterfront culture. Just under 1.5 hours by fast train. Military history enthusiasts will appreciate the Laboe Naval Memorial and submarine U-995, located across the fjord. You can climb the memorial tower and walk through a preserved World War II U-boat. It's reachable by ferry or bus. Trusted tours and day trip options are linked in the video description below. Shopping and local finds. Kiel is not a souvenir-heavy city, but you can find maritime-themed gifts, local honey and herbal teas, German chocolate or marzipan, especially from Lübeck if you go, Scandinavian goods from shops near the ferry terminals. Now, here are some practical tips for your visit. The currency is the euro. The local language is German, but English is widely spoken. Local buses, ferries and trains are efficient and timely. Wear flat, comfortable shoes. Everything is walkable. If your cruise ends here, consider spending a night and taking the train to Hamburg the next day. Kiel may not be the most talked about port on your cruise itinerary, but it offers a peaceful, authentic slice of northern Germany and makes travel incredibly easy. Whether you spend your day enjoying the sea breeze along the promenade, visiting naval museums, or catching a train to Lübeck or Hamburg, Kiel is a smooth, satisfying stop for curious travellers. Check the video description below for links to recommended local tours that you can book directly with trusted operators. And as always, if you enjoyed this guide, like, subscribe, and drop us a comment. What are you planning to do in Kiel? See you in the next port.